How to fix file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart your PC. If you've developed the practice of placing your computer into sleep mode as opposed to shutting it down, you could encounter various problems and reduced performance. Therefore, it's possible that the error stating file or directory is corrupted and unreadable is merely a temporary malfunction that should resolve itself once you reboot your computer. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Type Y and press enter. Utilizing the Properties menu to conduct a drive scan is a streamlined method for identifying any potential drive issues. Depending on the errors identified by Windows, you can select the appropriate tool for resolution. To initiate the scan, right-click on the drive, opt for Properties, navigate to the Tools tab, and click on Check.